everybody, Steve here, and we got a hurricane. I'm sure you all seen it on the news. They're saying it's supposed to possibly hit the East Coast sometime Thursday, Friday. So I got a generator. I've had it for a few years now. I've had it probably, I don't know, at least 10 years. And rather than waiting until I need it, I'm going to go ahead and do some prep work. It's 5200. It's got a 6,000 watt surge. I got this at Northern Tools about 10 years ago. It's been a little more over 10 years. Probably been 11. It's just a pull start. And, you know, at the time, that's what I could afford. It still works, I hope. I'm going to find out here in a minute, but before I do a startup check on it, I'm going to go ahead and change the oil. I'm going to use this side over here. I already got it set up. It uses regular 30 weight engine oil, 4-cycle. So, in my drain plug is right here, I hope. And the thing I'm using to catch my oil in, it's just something I picked up at Southern States probably, I don't know, in 2003. I use it to change my oil. It's actually a feed pan. It flexes, it's flexible, it's made out of a rubber material. You gotta be careful with it when you go to dump the oil out, so you don't, spill it all out. But it does okay for me. I have no complaints with it. It's lasted a long time. It flexes and bends, so if I get in a spot where I need it to bend up a little bit, like under the generator, I can fit it under there. So I'm going to go ahead and start draining my oil. It's a 12 millimeter socket. It says metric. There we go. Oil away. And I have put a total of 139 hours on it. So, as soon as it gets done draining, I'll be right back with you and we will start the refill process. Okay, she's all drained. I checked the oil as it was coming out. She was pretty clean, not too bad at all. I'm going to use it's called Power Care 4-cycle 30 weight. That's what it calls for, straight SAE 30 weight. I got this at Home Depot. It's their brand. It was like $6.98 for 1.5 quarts. Start refilling. First, it got this little seal on top, like they all do. Little aluminum foil seal. And let me go get my funnel. So I keep my funnel in a plastic bag. This is my funnel. I keep it in a plastic bag and I twist it up, keep the dirt and dust out of it, so my funnel stays pretty clean. I don't have to worry about a lot of dust or dirt being in there. So let's see here. It's almost a little too big for this opening, but it looks great on the cars. So I'm going to dump some in. A little bit at a time. Don't take a lot. 1.5 quarts is probably more than enough. I have put in, let's see, I'm down to about 30 ounces, and I started at 44. It's 14 ounces. Let's see where we're at. Not there yet. Probably going to take about a quart. Alright, we are down to 16 ounces now is what's left in the can. And I can see the oil in the fill tube. And we are good. She's almost at the top of the mark. Of course, we're downhill just a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up. Screw it back in. Now, when I wiped that off, by the way, I don't know if y'all saw that. And she's good. She's just below the full mark, the high mark on the stick. There's got a high and a low, and in between. So we're in the in between, almost at the high mark. Alrighty. That didn't take long. Like I said, we got 16 ounces left. Started at 44. That's not quite, is it 30 ounces? So she's full. I'm going to clean up my mess and I'll be back with you in a minute. We're going to start it. So, for starting, I pushed my switch to on. This is my choke over here. I got my gas turned on. So, let's see how good I am. I think that's good. Yeah. Shut it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the fuel off. I'll shut the fuel off and then I'll let it run until it runs out of fuel. That way keep all that fuel out of the car and keep it clean. And also I'll drain the bottom of the carburetor bowl. That also helps keep it from coming up, so when I go to start this time, just start right on. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.